Today I'm going to discuss the most important ballad from the first flight, The Tale of the Coward Dragon. Frederick Ogden Nash was born on the 1902 and was an American poet. He was known for his beautiful light verse and humorous poetry work. He was also awarded for Sarah Joseph Award in 1964. Ogden Nash has written a poem about a little girl, Belinda, who owns her pets like a little cat and mouse named Ink and Blink. The little kitten was black and mouse was grey. There are two other pets also like the yellow dog named Mustard and coward dog dragon named Custard. The poet had described all the characters very brave excepted the dragon, who is very coward in his behavior in the comparison of the other pets. But whole situation was changed when pirate attacked on the Belinda house. In Belinda house, no one is ready to face the pirate except the dragon. He was ready to face and killed him. At the end, dragon finally killed the pirate and everyone is happy as they saved by the coward dragon. But suddenly they have changed their thoughts as describe themselves more powerful in the comparison of the dragon as they thought that the situation was very confusing for them. Otherwise, they can be more brave than the coward dragon. Here are some literary devices, like rhyming scheme. Is AABB as the word used in the poem House, Mouse, Wagon, Dragon. There is a repetitions of the words like little and there is a literary devices of the other forms like anaphora, repetitions of the words at the start, two consecutive lines. And there is a poetic license also, Reulio and Trulio, for real and true words in order to make the musical effect. The theme of the ballad is adventurous and bravery and romance and etc. In this ballad, we come to know that how a coward dragon becomes a hero at the night when he killed a pirate. In the comparison of the other parts of the Belinda, there are so many parts she have, and each and every part is thought that he and she is braver than the coward dragon. But by the night, as the coward dragon killed the pirate, he becomes a hero. And the situation is that, and everybody is happy, and but they thought that they can be more powerful, they can be more braver than the coward dragon. If the situation was not confusing, there is a confusion. That's why they are less braver than the coward dragon. They always make fun of coward dragon. They always think that they are more braver and stronger than coward dragon. There is a literary devices as I have described all the literary devices, and there is a theme also, and the theme is adventurously and bravery and romance. In this ballad, we come to know that there is an adventure when the pirate has come into the house and the coward dragon killed him and saved the other pets. Bravery is about the coward dragon when he killed pirate. Romance is also there when everyone is trying to make fun and Belinda is also have a little attachment with the pets also and this kind of things. The conclusion of the poem is that as a coward dragon saved everyone and everybody thanked him, at the end everyone realized that they used him for making of fun as he timid. Therefore everyone started saying that They are more braver than the coward dragon. In this ballad, we comes to know that how the fretted organ Nash beautifully describe all the parts where the Belinda, a little girl, have, who owns her pets like a little cat and the mouse name it Ink and Blink, and the little kitten was black and mouse was grey, and there are two other pets also like yellow dog name it Mustard and coward dragon name it Custard. The poet has described all the characters very brave excepted the dragon, who is very coward in this behavior in the comparison of the other pets. Who but whole situation was changed when the pirate attacked on the Belinda house. In the Belinda house, no one is ready to face the pirate excepted the dragon. He was ready to face and killed him. At the end, the dragon killed the pirate and everyone is happy as they saved by the coward dragon. But suddenly they have changed their thoughts and described themselves more powerful in the comparison of the dragon. As they thought that the situation was very confusing, otherwise they can be more braver and stronger and also kill the pirate. I hope you like this video, which is very helpful according to your examination point of views. You can um, understand the whole thing and the whole ballad by each and every lines, and you can also analyze the whole section of the answer and used for the examination point of view in order to gain the maximum marks in your examination. If you the all the points of the poem and the answer structures are very important. Don't ignore and any kind of point. Each and every point is very important. So write your answer in a very well manner and definitely with the good handwriting. If you don't use the good handwriting in your examination, you will definitely not getting more marks and full marks. If the examination is going on the mm, hall and everybody is writing their answer fast and fast, but they also maintaining their writing, so it is the most important thing. Your writing should be like that. Your words can be understood by the examiner very well, then you will get the maximum marks. Otherwise, if you um, write in a very poor manner, you will definitely not get any kind of answer, and you will not able to make understand the examiner how many points you know and how beautifully you have described your answer. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.